Have you ever wondered if there's a secret language of love? A mysterious code that reveals when someone is truly captivated by another? Understanding this code can be quite the game changer, especially when it comes to deciphering the subtle signs of attraction from a woman. One of the most telling signs is how she engages in conversation. When a woman is drawn to you, she may steer discussions towards flirtatious or even sensually charged topics. This doesn't happen with just anyone. If she's talking about intimate subjects or dropping playful innuendos, consider these as clues to her interest. For instance, using suggestive emojis or making cheeky remarks about personal traits. These are not just random. They're hints draped in humor. Moving beyond words, actions speak volumes, particularly in how she chooses to spend her time. If she seeks opportunities to be alone with you, it's a significant indicator. This is more profound in scenarios where she could choose a public setting but instead opts for privacy. Whether it's inviting you over after a day out or extending a casual meet into a more intimate setting like her home, these are deliberate choices. They signal comfort and a desire to escalate the relationship from purely platonic to potentially more intimate. Physical touch is another powerful communicator. It's one of the most straightforward signs that often goes unnoticed. A woman who frequently finds reasons to touch you, whether it's a playful tap, a lingering hug, or a subtle brush of her hand against yours, is showing signs of affection and attraction. The nature and frequency of these touches can escalate the sensual tension between you two, often without a single word being spoken. Lastly, consider her body language and eye contact. Does she maintain eye contact longer than what's considered usual? Does her body lean towards you during conversations, or perhaps her feet point in your direction even when she's seated across the room? These nonverbal cues are her body's way of signaling attraction. In summary, understanding whether a woman is interested isn't just about listening to what she says, but also interpreting how she says it and what she does. Look for flirtatious dialogue, a preference for privacy, frequent and meaningful touch, and attentive body language. These signs woven together form the unspoken language of attraction. Keep these pointers in mind, and you might just decode the signals right in front of you.